Hey everybody, this is Kai here and welcome back to another KyCam week 10. Now I'm so sorry the last 2 weeks we haven't had a KyCam up. We've been so busy filming music videos and such, but hopefully you guys can forgive us. So now this first clip is us washing a car. And now I know that might not sound very fun, but trust me, it was. But this footage unfortunately doesn't really quite translate how much fun and how stressful the experience was. Maybe you had to be there, but it was the best time we've ever had washing a car. So let's take a look. And yes, it was a complete fail. But that's the funnest, isn't it? Just watch it. Okay, so we thought this would be... Hello there. So we thought this would be great content for the KyCam. We got this. We got just enough quarters. It's a minute and a half. 2 minutes.
So we don't need to have it all?
No.
Well, let's just go for it then. Ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Yes!
Anything else work?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
It's going to go forward, wheel, and tire cleaner.
What?
Front wheels. The wheels.
Okay.
Oh, the mats.
The mats.
I got the mats. I'll get the mats.
Oh, this is definitely
Okay, mat. I got a mat. Kai, mat. I got a mat.
That's not the mat one.
What?
That's just the wheel one.
Oh, what? But you said mat.
Yeah, then mat. I was getting ready for...
Oh, I'll be getting that this one.
Ready?
They're all out.
Mat, go.
I'm on mats.
And then foam brush is next. That.
Okay, I'll get that. Can you fill? I can get it.
Surprisingly challenging.
Get that.
Okay, so what do I do? What do I do?
I know. I'm twisting it.
Just grab the car?
Go.
Am I supposed to just grab the car?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, look, soap's coming out of it. Oh, that's
Go, Amy.
Oh my God, look at this.
Soap is coming out of it. This is epic. I'm stuck.
I reckon we've got to go now to the
Yeah.
high pressure.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. I just need to take a bit. More. Oopsie.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, 1
So
minute.
let me hang it up. Okay.
Okay, you ready? High pressure rinse.
Okay.
Watch out, Kai, get out. Go on here. Have you did all rinse?
Huh?
We don't have time.
Oh.
Okay.
We're out of time. And you got to come around
No,
here.
I can get more in. More time.
Five more corners.
Yeah, okay,
I'm really going.
It's still be the KyCam, it's great.
I know.
Alright, see ya. See ya.
Aim's around here, there's still soap.
Alright, I'm gonna let...
Quick.
Should I change to low pressure?
That should have been more than.
Yeah, 30 seconds ago.
Amy, up there on the mirror.
Where?
On the window. Sophie. All right, go to the next one.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, this is... Have you got another quarter?
Yeah, I got one more.
All right.
Oh gosh, Sophie.
It's supposed to be waxy. Quickly.
Sorry.
No, go. You don't have time. Just quickly go around once. All right. All right.
In the roof.
On the roof.
No, this is it. This is it.
Let's go to the lens.
This is a low pressure spot-free rinse.
You got this, Kai!
Alright, we ready?
19, 18, 17, 16.
Kai, hurry up, it's all soapy everywhere.
No, Kai, over here. Run around quickly.
He's stuck on the window, on the mirror.
Just run quickly.
Kai, quick! Quick, quick!
1, 2.
Okay. I think we get some water, don't we?
Out of time.
Oh, fail!
We failed.
Hey, we did pretty good. Oh, you missed here. Look at this.
And look at the mats.
Oh yeah. The mats.
Do we have another
Have we got
quarter?
another 30 cents? Or is it too late now?
You have to do it within 15 seconds.
Oh, it's too late. Oh no.
The mats.
Oh, we failed.
Now we were beyond excited to see our Nana who had come to America from Australia for a few days just to see what we were up to. We're going to pick up Nana. So we parked in Joe's parking. It's actually quite a while away from the airport. Now we're on a shuttle going to pick up Nana. Woohoo! Very exciting. Hey Nana. Hey Granddad.
She's just walking out.
She Winnie?
She can't see her. She doesn't know where.
Wait.
Oh, I see it.
Quick! Okay, Amy on a mission. What are you getting?
Dark blue bag with a red tag.
We had seatbelts again.
I wasn't recording.
Oh, well, we ran a lot. It was only like 10
And
seconds.
you're just driving off without us.
Yeah.
I went.
And you stopped.
Here we are again.
Now these.
Now we've got Nana.
So wait. And oh look, we need a chair. Oh, there's one. Look at that! Bam!
Bam!
Did it.
That was sleeping at the edge, holding something we all need. And this illusion in our heads is gonna reassure our needs. So come on, let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me. Everything is wrong, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me. Thank you. And I'll be me. I'll be me. Hey, I'm blowing clothes across the floor. Oh. To take the doors and slamming doors to you. Thank you. If this is all we're living for, and why are we doing it anymore? I used to recognize myself as funny, our reflection change. We're becoming something else, think it's time to walk away. So come on, let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me. Thank you. Everything is wrong, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me, and I'll be me. Trying to fit your hand inside of mine. We know we just don't belong. Some force on earth can make me feel right. No, oh, trying to push this problem onto you, push us too heavy to hold. Think now's the time to let it shine. So come on, let it go. Oh, just let it be. and I'll be me. Everything is wrong. Leave it to the breeze. Let the ashes fall. Forget about me. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you? And I'll be me. And I'll be me. And I'll be me. Thank you. Hey, so honey, you could be my drug, you could be my new prescription. Too much could be an overdose on the strength of making me itching. Oh my gosh, everybody talks too much. It started with a
Hey everybody, we're back again at the swinging things. I don't know what to call them. I called them Santa Monica swings in the last thing. I thought that was nice. We're back again, we got our chalk. And let's see if we can get further than last time. I think Emmy got to like 3/4 of the way through. And I went there. Yeah. I come back, I'm nearly all the way, I think. I don't know. Let's do it.
Got to practice a little before though.
Oh, you got so much.
I squished it accidentally. Yeah, accidentally squished it. Kai, wait, use that one. Squish it.
That's it.
I didn't think. Nope, I didn't reach it. Okay, now swing me back. Ready?
Oh, you're starting already?
I used the wrong arm.
We should have stopped them all for you.
You could do it. I could do it. If you believe. What's up, huh? Come back. Oh, damn. Oh. Dude, you got this.
Oh, no!
There, yeah. Right there. Oh, you could have got it. Right there, brother. What's up?
Yes.
Recovery.
See how it's just swinging the wrong way?
Yeah.
You guys want to together. What's up, hey, you got this!
Go, Kai, let's go!
You got this!
Yeah, that's right. Huh?
I believe in you.
American Ninja Junior.
Ninja Warrior! You got this!
That's right, bro.
Now you have to do it last! Okay, alright. Challenge accepted.
Push you honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, right there. You just gotta get that swing. Make sure to go like. You got this! Keep going! Hey, wait, what? Go back.
Oh, he's got them all swinging now.
You gotta wait a line.
Ah, dude! Come on, dude, get down the line. Come the other way, Ames. Come back, Ames. Yeah.
Let her finish.
Well done. Well done.
Did you get video of that? I didn't realise that.
Well done.
The red is the.
Oh yeah, no, I know the red.
It's completely numb, but it hurts. Which doesn't make sense because numb is not hurting.
Going down the water.
So that is it for this episode of the KyCam. Hope you guys enjoyed. Next week we'll continue our adventures with Nana and head off to Disneyland. so amazing, and there's a lot of footage for you guys to see. But before I let you guys go, I wanted to let you know that I've started a Pledge Music campaign, and it's for my next EP called Dare to Believe. It's got 6 original songs, and yeah, we wanted to invite you guys to join us on the final leg of the ride of us making the EP. So click the link down in the description or on the screen if I can make it, pledgemusic.com/Kai Baldwin, and you can see what we have to offer. We have behind the scenes content of us making the songs and a couple of the videos, input into the actual album, and exclusive merchandise that are only for pledges, like t-shirts, new t-shirts, so exciting, and photo books, and much more. So head over there, and hopefully I'll see you there. Have a great day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you for the next KyCam.